Hey guys, I'm Cannon,
I'm Ava.
And I'm Darren.
and we are all students of
Beaver Area High School.
And welcome to our Regent T segments.
We have 4 segments for you today.
We hope you enjoy.
Hey Ava, I got a needless question for you. What's our first segment?
Coming up, our first segment, 9 needless questions.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to our Not Unusual Questions. Today we're going to be interviewing high schoolers and middle schoolers and testing their relevant IQ. First up, we got is Ava, and she's going to be interviewing a middle schooler.
Banana!
I'm here with Alina. And what's always upcoming but never arrives? In the past? No, it's
Hello, my name is Isaac. I'm here with Max. Max, is it okay if I ask you a question today?
Of course.
Alright. So on average, what is things Americans do 22 times a day?
I'm gonna say wash your hands.
Nah. What else?
I don't know.
Open the fridge.
Alright, I'm here with
Isabella Meadows.
and our next needless question is what's the hardest substance in the human body?
The hardest substance?
Yeah.
Bone. Correct? No?
It's tooth enamel.
What's up, everybody? I'm Lou Rabatin, and I'm here with...
Steve Hamlet.
And today I'm not Stephen Handel a question.
Alright, what's the question?
On average, what do Americans do 22 times a day?
Get in the bed.
No. Guess one more. I'll give you one more.
Look in the pantry.
The pantry?
Yeah.
What am I, fat? No. What they do? You ready?
Yep.
They open the fridge.
Here we have.
Cannon Novak.
Now, Cannon, what is the hardest substance in the human body?
I don't know.
Wrong. It's tooth enamel.
Oh.
Alright, here we have Ella Andrew. And our next question is how many chickens would it take to kill one?
1.
It's 56 and a half.
Hi, I'm here with...
Lexi.
Today, I'm going to be asking Lexi a question. What's always coming but never arrives? No, that's not right. Sir, tomorrow.
Alright, here we have.
Dylan Young,
And how many chickens does it take to kill one?
probably like at least one, I'd guess.
Yeah, it's 56 and a half.
I wouldn't have done that.
1. Hey, Tatum. What is a monkey that eats Doritos? Chipmunk.
Wow, those questions really worked up an appetite.
Next up, we have Extra Eats.
Guys, do you want to go out to eat after school today?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we should go to China House.
Sure.
What's up? Today we're going to be reviewing China House, and let's go. We also just wanted to say that we are so sorry that Nate could not join us today, and we're still waiting for our food. I got the sweet and sour chicken and fried rice, and it looks really good.
Pork lo mein. It looks really good.
The food was really good, and I would give it an 8.5 out of 10.
My roast pork lo mein was really good. The noodles were really good, and the pork was very crispy. Rate this a 6.5 out of 10. Every wise man started out by asking questions. Many questions.
Mine says everyone has the right to choose the one lifestyle.
Really good. Thank you for watching.
Guys, do you want to go after?
Go.
Guys, do you want to go out to eat after school? Oh my god, what about this one? I had fried rice and
Mine was really good. I like my food was really good. The pork was really good.
Wow, I sure ate a lot in that segment.
I probably ate more.
You wanna bet?
You want a duel?
Coming up next,
School duel.
Man, I'm the best. No one can beat me. Like, all these people think they can beat me, they never can.
You say you're the best?
Yeah, I'm the best.
You're not the best.
Alright, we can see.
Alright, bet. 1v1.
Alright, so far.
Trash.
Man, you're trash.
Bro, what do you mean? You two can't even score one goal. How about this? Alright, what is it? 1 to 5?
Yeah.
Alright, best of 5? How about best of 1? You both can't make a single shot. Alright, how about that?
That's fair.
Go! It's
Come on, it's my ball. Step up. What? About that.
You talking about Gordon? Ooh! Bro.
Man.
That demon!
Oh,
I'm gonna.
Oh yeah. Time the game over. You're not even guarding me.
Ooh! We got one
You
or?
suck.
We're sitting down.
Hey man, don't be so cocky next time, because you really aren't that good.
Alright, bro. GG's.
Just remember next time, don't come out here talking trash.
Wow, that was an amazing segment.
Are you sure?
Coming up next,
Are you sure?
Welcome to Are You Sure? Today we're going to be interviewing 5 people on which chicken sandwich is best. The competition will be between Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's.
Which chicken sandwich do you prefer from these 4 fast food restaurants? McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, and Wendy's. Which chicken sandwich do you prefer? Which chicken sandwich do you prefer from these fast food restaurants? McDonald's, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, or Wendy's? Wendy's. Which chicken sandwich do you prefer from these 4 fast food restaurants? McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, or Wendy's? Burger King. Which chicken sandwich do you prefer from these 4 fast food restaurants? McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, or Chick-fil-A? Probably McDonald's. Which chicken sandwich do you prefer from these 4 fast food restaurants? Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's, or Burger King?
Chick-fil-A.
Which chicken sandwich do you prefer? Wendy's chicken sandwich? Burger King? Which chicken sandwich do you prefer from these 4 fast food restaurants?
Coming from Beaver Area High School.
Those were some really cool segments.
We hope you enjoyed.